Hey guys, here I have a Space Duel PCB. I just got done making my harness, and this harness will work for Space Duel, Gravatar, and Black Widow. The only difference between those three boards are the player inputs are different. But the power, the XY out, all of that is identical, shared between the three boards, which is cool. So this board, this right here will work for those three boards. And I've got two space duels that I'm going to be messing with here. I just got this one put together and plugged into the harness. I did the usual off camera. I checked for short between the power rails, all the power and ground. Made sure there was no short, so nothing was going to blow up as soon as I turned it on. I checked the voltages. My voltages are perfect, right on. So what I'm going to do is start. I think the first thing I'm going to do is this is what I'm getting on the screen. Really nothing. It's really not doing anything. So if I put it in test, that's test, which is really nothing. Take it out of test. So I know what the first thing I'm going to do. I have an AVG chip, Atari Vector Generator chip. I have one of these that I just keep around just for this purpose, to test and make sure that the AVG chip is good. So what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put that AVG chip in and see if that fixes the board. So I'll go ahead and set up. I'll set up on my little tripod over here, and we'll do a little bit of looking. This definitely needs to be washed. This board is nasty, filthy. But let's swap that AVG chip and see what happens. Okie doke. All right, let's. I got my AVG. I just bought this just to have for this purpose. So let's remove this guy carefully. AVG chip. This replaced the math box. That is amazing. Just thank God they did that. It's a lot easier to put in or to buy this than that stupid auxiliary board. This one, you can see the program was running, so you could see that. And this is gonna destroy the socket, I think. Pin 1 is to pin 1. That's installed. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. If it works, I'll show you. Space Duel, there it is. It's the AVG chip. Well, that is a simple fix. So, what do you say we put this on the Wells Gardner 6100 and see what it looks like? All right, let me get that out. Okay, I have the Wells 6100 monitor all hooked up. Got the Space Duel board ready to go. So let's go ahead and switch it on. And there it is. My yoke needs to be spun a little bit. And yeah, well, I need to twist the yoke a little bit. And then I need to mess with the pots a little bit to center the thing. And the pots are a little flaky, you can see. So I need to give them a shot of deoxit. Let's do that. I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna give these pots a good shot of deoxit. Kind of work it into them, clean them up, and let's get this thing looking right. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. Got the pots cleaned up, got the monitor adjusted a little bit. I kind of tweaked the yoke a little bit. It still looks like the bip pots are a little off or something. So it's a little skewed, but it's not bad. Works. It's just pots, you know. But yeah, it looks good. So this one is going to be washed big time. This board's nasty. So it'll be washed up really good. Good thing is it's got decent sockets, so I'm not messing with the sockets. It's got the gold double swipe sockets, which aren't really too bad. So cool. It does need to be washed though, so I'll do that. And that's one done. This thing will get cleaned up, and I believe this will be for sale. If anyone's interested in a Space Duel PCB, just get a hold of me for details. Leave me a message in the comments. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. I got another Space Duel, and hopefully the next one's a little harder. Just doing a sound test as well. And the sound works. I'll go ahead and put it into test and hit the switches that I can here. Strange. Yeah, it's all working. I don't understand how the test works and stuff. I just took it out of test. But you got your sounds and stuff, and So the sounds are good. It's all good. I'm just going to clean it up. And I did these BIP pots. I had to shoot those with the deoxit and work those to get my lines to line up right. And how it does this, that's my convergence. The convergence is off on the rings on this monitor, which I don't really care about that. This is just used for testing pretty much. But I can tell I still need to yeah, that's a little bit better, I think. Yeah, that's better. I just moved the yoke a little bit. That looks pretty darn good right there. That's pretty centered, looking good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I just forgot to do a sound test and a few of the switches and whatnot, so it's all good to go. This board works just fine. See you on the next Space Duel.